To deposit cash into your PNC bank account, you will need your ATM card and the cash you wish to deposit. First, locate a nearby deposit-enabled ATM. Note that not all states have PNC ATMs, and not all ATMs accept cash deposits. Once you have found a suitable ATM, insert your PNC debit card and enter your 4-digit PIN, followed by the green Enter button. The ATM will then present you with various options, including withdraw, deposit, and fast cash. Select the deposit option. Next, choose the type of deposit you want to make. You can deposit a check, cash, or a combination of both. Select cash as the deposit type. Then choose the account into which you want to deposit the funds. You can deposit up to 100 bills at once, which you should insert into the slot below the ATM's screen. The ATM will count the money and display detailed information about your deposit. If the information is accurate, confirm by tapping Yes and Continue. The ATM may then display advertisements, which you can decline. After a few seconds, you should receive a confirmation message stating that the cash deposit has been completed. Tap I'm finished, remove your ATM card, and the deposited funds should be available on the same business day.